Ghana in
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
In the year 2020-2021, COVID ebaye Ghana for MI free water supply. Na free water supply na yenom ensuo no. It's been almost 3-4 years now. Ebinom say womo supply omo ye at the various districts. Government has not paid them. Nti omo hia omo sika with immediate effect. Now, the question I will be able to answer, so what happened? Why all this time?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because nobody him say at least government has worked out a lot of plans. Archers are buying many people. Into why are people still looking out for money? Nipa binumu a omo eba out e demand omo sika for a year water nsu a omo supply for omo na mo hwe on Facebook page.
Mathematical set ye brain ye ma ye na nam nkuman eni say the winning no say do samri a enkra no wo mo siesie omo ho
wrong voice.
Original director Madam Doris Ofori. Madda regional NSS director Mr. Kankam te ene dey wa ba beche kwa ngoma die
They say crying say the shy union could turn on Babacho BC. Dona announce and ask us a hard it's no who here say we do something small, we need to bomb on night I elevate something of the problems from us. No more so it's macho BC in the comma. It's kind of say na it's me to a mass city they have a brom some and fanchomo a young business.
Akoma FM 87.9
for a nice bit me aqua other regions as well so man so bit
now the problem is a free water abra 2020 March COVID time no aban no ma over 1 year your supply is so free you use power and ECG sabre o ma so yemre mu den am sabre kura make say our community no ma be disconnect power ya ye ni issue say nyese ensure na talk akra and can say your problem our system is working but no power nti yesre say aban modern say free water no o ma ye kwaje kan de supply man for sabre yo
87.9
yes sabre na daroma only there ontua kan ya kakra emaye na operational cost no system no so emfa now a problem say face a free water abra 2020 March COVID time no aban no ma over 1 year your supply is so free you use power and ECG sabre o ma so yemre mu den am sabre kura make say our community no ma be disconnect power ya ye ni issue say nyese ensure na talk akra and can say your problem our system is working but no power nti yesre say aban modern say free water no ma ye
87.9
kan ya de supply man for sabre ye wo hihim pa ti yesra bai na daroma only there ontua kan ya kakra emaye na operational cost no say no ma be disconnect power ya ye ni issue say nyese ensure na talk akra and can say your problem our system is working but no power nti yesre say aban modern say free water no o ma ye kwaje kan ya de supply man for sabre ye wo hihim pa ti yesra bai na daroma only there ontua kan ya kakra emaye na operational cost no system no so emfa.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
3 years on, more than almost 4 years. They are supplying you. The government is not paying. What is the situation? And I pay Obia Bisase how? Ghana be biya deka ewo ho. Na Ora Emmanuel yani Emmanuel Aban enin komo. Meza Aban bibi aboko de. What happened? Ensuo ba na mo supply Aban twa amaka.
Yo, me that say the first akonya so actually what you phone na na mo tie phone sin na 2020 about COVID no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
abani ye say yen fan show am free so for one good year it ensure a supply free me wan ka say areas more town water supply na water supply no yɛhwɛ nkurutoɔ mmiɛnsa ɛyɛ anka Sikyetia ɛna Mpobi. Government am pre-finance yɛnea na ɛde sika saa manage yɛ for the 12 months a ɛyɛ free water no. Na wie ne sɛ ho ka da hɔ no 354,955. No case aban na tue bi na ka isi aban no ɛde no
Akoma FM
850,821.
Me ba so why na no enter sa contract no on behalf of government?
That's all a community water and sanitation agency.
And omo can say mon supply nsuo no to what was the mode of payment?
Okay, aban directive no ba no. Na the small town water supply na share community water and sanitation agency na asinti no. Ono ene aban CWC ni aban na kasa no model letter ebre that small town water supply ni na eninti odo ma say yen supply na aban no obetua enti after say supply no next cannot emma so through the district assembly no na ka emu na aban no release ka if aban release ka release through the CWC na CWC no so up to through the district assembly and sana yen sa kan ewo stations.
And say more a private entity. Yes, sir.
Yeah, private government can admire because we work under the district assembly. A community-owned management system.
And Adiara Emi so all these were supply amuye ni nyina no aban eda so adeka watue bi but dodo no so ntua.
Watue bi but dodo no so ntua. And a small town water system na. Yes, I ensure ya diama increasing no. Na menu kasa no electricity bill a eku nya senketwa. Ya ni abana kasa se de e be ya nko fa ya kran to ebia domestic rate. Na so no odi ato commercial rate me one provide essential services. Yen profit na ye gain. Ya de wane menu kasa every month ya to prepaid kra no e to 10,000 Ghana cedis. So imagine the cost of goods and services and also enya senketwa. Enti abana sapi kase no ama ye bre pa easy.
But say ya mo kan de you sell sense you mo ton.
No correct.
Enti
no correct.
No mo ton there it's paid based on the amount for abeto. Yes sir.
Sanity. Na I graduated my no and this the friend saying Ghana water.
Okay.
And this yeah have them you reach me be our form because one married now my for my nipa no streams never be air contaminated no obeko abako no. And we will call my nipa ya got me disconnection when you say anything but I say no untimi nya ne sa o yiro mo kete a obejan su papa na wo so onom no na kwa kwasa fo mu so akọfa ya ga eden e di aman ho. Into what the capra na hana ya dada no kaka ne be ya nipa no be the concept na ide ase into hana management no enye so simple sa Ghana water there ono no ya ba betwam because komu no nya nsu bia oba bia para na fa na fix bia ni stream bia ho me wa no so no be call the sources no ya contaminate no say so no kono no kwa ya de sia ya onzo ko fa problem e edeba to always be no rural water and sanitation no yes, so much more. A whole cutting more. That is why any profit making entity. No, yes, I say, or my companions, Papa, they are Amma, or so I day, actual.
But as we speak, why in a Baiman Amano or Macassa, somewhere under Ministry of Water and Sanitation? Yes, sir. Now, officially, more communicated to the government. A day we are not their mama.
No, that's it. The question is, a press conference is the to that, and the government minister and also Asia. I want to bomb saying, even last year in Antiesa, oh, Sikeba, Sani Chino, Nanso no, Sikabia, any day, Emma. Recently, a conference, I will KNUST, about out no, Ghana water for Emma, who said. Omo plana omo urban areas na omo had any major challenges and government no try na any rural areas na ye breno ye so ye nya he no ka say no ye ka abane dia ba 151 1,000 Ghana cedis. It means no more be it been could no check. I was a deal so maybe a new site back. Your pumps or any shot was it to be a cajon with a water you may $100. So that's kind of ever bit me a boy. My me after your problem. I'm obia or everything I know at me and super plan.
For now, I'm buying China. Is it likely saying you are more surprised? I'm going to suspend Diana.
No question me. Yeah, boy, I don't come here the first one. A bit in my mouth for the issue because I'm a bit no. River issues now contaminated. And then I want to know, but you near for be so Busham Bonnie no Maracaka. Can I buy a better associated system? I'm a for a day. And you ensure that I know. Labanisana, it puts much pressure on the system. There was a banner this kind of bird, they are no more why they are hurrying. Ama, no more be on my team, you have to come. Or be I into me for so no coino. It may be alcohol, I will be at me and equal supply of water.
Okay, Ms. Alban, you better was saying, for government a year since 2020, 2021, I be seen nsuo a on supply free nsuo a wonom ye no ya da so a edeka yentua suppliers say aban for yesika ma ye nye owura we nko several other districts and so within the Asante region and one more about this concern and pay ye benya daje na ya interrogate what happened over Facebook page. This is the situation in several areas our consensus or mobisa where is our water. Ghana and be beer aban by the car everything virtually everything aban ye we ye the car we ye the car we ye the car ye the car now obia ebisa say why must we use water for the last 3-4 years still aban into a hoka omo consensus be any
FAC a free water. Abra 2020 March COVID time no aban no ma over 1 year. Your supply is so free. You use power and air. ECG Sabre o ma so yemre mu den. Am Sabre kura make say our community no ma be disconnect power. Yeah, you need issue. So yes sir ensure na talk akra and can say your problem. Our system is working but no power. Inti yesre say aban mo modern. Say free water no o ma ye kwaje kan ya de supply man for Sabre ye wo hihim pa ti yesra by na daroma only there ontu an kan ya ne kakra emaye na operational cost no system no so emfa
right so that is the situation but